So I'm getting ready so I can go to my sister's little birthday thing at this little club or whatever like that. It's like a lounge or whatnot. They just drink it or whatnot. Or do hookahs, like a hookah lounge. I had been seeing a lot of people with this stuff on TikTok. So I ordered, so I was like, let me try. So I already cleansed my face and stuff. So just put a small amount on your face. I hope this don't break me up. You look like it working on everybody else, but you never know, honey. So, can I do that? Extra. Okay. So I'm put that on before that. I ain't gonna, I'm gonna put my concealer on. I'm gonna concealer my primer. But, yeah, I'm going out. I haven't been out, y'all, in a long time. Like a long time. Like, y'all, it's been at least, I told my sister a decade. It felt like a decade. Because I don't really go nowhere. I stay in the house. Like I already told you. But I was like, I need to get out. Because working from home and being at home all day. But I'm going to be back or whatever. Like that. When I get through with my makeup and stuff. I don't think this is my best. All right, y'all. So, I'm going to come back. I did an all right job tonight. I'm really rushing because I would have took my time just a little bit more. But so today is my sister's birthday. I think I told y'all that. I'm going to her birthday little thing or whatever. And I thought from what her boyfriend said, her husband, onto my boyfriend. For what her husband said, that he was going to do it at 10. Like he was going to be there back at 10:30, but they ended up being there at 10 something. And I'm like, it's almost 11. You know what I'm saying? And so I had to take a bath, get ready, woo, woo, woo. So I'm kind of rushing, or whatnot. I decided to put this little wig on right here. And I really think I gotta put my eyelashes on and everything. But I sprayed my face so my face can settle or whatnot. Girl, this not gonna be the straightest I can get it tonight, and I'm gonna try my best. But yeah, I'm pouring it off, and then I'm just going back and just that's so weird. Just running my fingers through it. Whew, I'm hot though. I'm hot and bothered. I'm trying to think. Do I got something to lay this down? Oh, there's what's called spray. Yeah, and then every time I end up finding my comb, it's probably in my bedroom, but I don't feel like going in there. But I'm like, every time it's time for me to do my hair and stuff, I can't never find my comb. Never. So I be having to use this wig brush comb. And then I don't even know about what I did with that little other comb I had. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. But yeah. Oh, what y'all think about this wig? Is it okay? It's okay. I be pulling the wigs from way back when. I mean, this wig ain't that old. Because I had got it and I didn't wear it. And then I had pulled it out and started wearing it. Because it was just, I had forgot about the wig, girl. Because I had bought another wig with it that I liked it. And so I had forgot all about it. But we're going to go with this tonight. Then that, I'm wearing that. I'm going to show y'all the full outfit whenever. Hopefully I can hurry up because it's already past. I was supposed to, oh Lord, I unplugged my computer and everything. My other computer, it's 11 o'clock. I was supposed to be done by 11. I was trying to put myself on the timer. Oh, whatnot. Yeah, I don't really like my makeup, but I'm gonna do what I gotta do, because it's not about me tonight. It's not about me. It's not about me. I think for the poop. I think I'm gonna spray this brush. And then my lips are so dry. It's so dry. I'm gonna spray this brush with this stuff and go down with it. See if I can lay it down, lay it down. You know, lay it down. So, I think that help. Get rid of some of them flyaways. I did an okay job. Oh, man. As long as it look good. And lately I've been missing out on family, like things to do with my family events. For one, I stay so far away, but actually they came out this way to go out or whatnot. I probably shouldn't put that color on there at the top, perhaps. I don't know. I hadn't even did makeup in a long time. I think I'm gonna put some more of this on my under eye. Or was it this one? It's just sitting up there. Yeah, this is the one that blended well with my skin. And then what? Okay, here we go. You're the one for me. I probably should just went with like a little solid look on it, on my eyes. I should have just gave it that little color, just that little color I normally wear. But no. Here y'all. I look a little decent, okay? I look a little decent. I don't know, it's something. I'm looking like, dang, it's something that's, something wrong, I think. Okay, it might be because I haven't worn color in a minute. budge. I don't know. Whatever it is, your girl got to get ready to go. I don't know. So I'm gonna come back to y'all whenever I got my clothes on. Alright, this is what I got on, y'all. I know this is the little tie thing I had on my, what's it called? So it's really a blazer on my intro and outro. This is really a blazer, but so I can either rock it as a dress or I can rock it with pants. And since it's cool, I decided to rock it with some pants. Now, this is the only black part on there. So I was like, well, I'll just put on some black jeans or whatnot. And then I'm just gonna put cause I ain't paint my toes, so I'm gonna just put these on. I might put them black heels on. I don't know. We'll see. This ain't even for you. Hey y'all, so this is after the club. Your girl enjoyed herself. I'm at the house. I came home to an after fucking show. As y'all can hear, he in here, he didn't lock me. Gonna tell me he wasn't gonna let me in the fucking house. I said I knew I should have brought my goddamn key. But other than that, I enjoyed myself. I'm in the garage and stuff. Whew, man. I got a long rest tonight. It's like 2 something, the long rest of the morning. It's like 2 something. And he is wilding out in this motherfucker. Y'all, I don't know what the fuck to do. Should I shut his ass down? All I know is I'm gonna have to deal with this for about 2 more hours. He'll shut down in a minute. If I shut down, he might shut down, but I don't know. Girl, so I'm gonna talk to y'all a little later. But I had an overall good time. I got there a little later than everybody else, but I still enjoyed myself on top of that. So yeah, again, happy birthday, sister. Love you. I'm glad you enjoyed yourself, cause girl, you turned the fuck up. Okay. 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 You won't even remember it in the morning, but I love you, sister. Enjoy you. I'm glad you enjoyed your birthday. And yeah. So let me go deal with this loony. He's not loony. He just enjoying himself. He been drinking and stuff, and girl, I'm just trying to stay away from him. That's all. Bye.